Hello, this is a quick tutorial to help you access your Think Central assignments. Once you're logged in, you have Things to Do, My Library, My Scores. Click on Things to Do. From here, you will see your assignments. They are in the blue hyperlinks. I would recommend starting off with the Math on the Spot video. And you can also go through the Interactive Student Edition, which you can find in My Library, and go through because that will help teach you the skill for the lesson. What I wanted to show you though is how to submit your work. So let's go to Chapter 11, Lesson 1. Clicking on the Student Edition. From here, these are the lesson pages that you have. You can listen to the directions and listen to the problems being read to you. But you would go to the actual assignment. And for this first one, as an example, we have down below, circle the objects that match the shape name. In order to enter in your answers for this edition, what you need to do is click on, it almost looks like a little camera next to the word circle. We're talking about 3D shapes and naming 3D shapes. So when you click on that, up pops up and opportunity for you to actually click on your response. So it says choose the objects that match the shape name. So we have a sphere. Going to click here. You can also click on the number. When I click on the number 1, you will see that I've already answered with the basketball, and then you can close out by clicking the X. Then you would move on to your next one, number 2. I would click on the interactive, the blue link for number 2. Up pops up the question. It's asking you to choose the object that is a cube. Okay, so I see rectangular prism, a cylinder, and a cube. Click on the cube, close out my answer, or you can click the minimize. You're going to go through and do that for all the problems that are assigned for you that day. At this point, I want to show you what happens when you're done with the problems that are assigned for you that day. You can go ahead and click the to close the X to close out the screen. You'll notice that the lesson says in progress, but even if I've submitted, or excuse me, even if I've completed all of the problems for that day, then click back, and now you can click done. When you click done, that assignment will go away. And now your teacher will be alerted to the fact that you are now completed with the assignment.